ngensuku endadlala uFIFA ngoba apha nzela umoya kutheni umbheklishisa neAC Milan when I relow awuzozwa moya xoko yembumbulu izongena esifubeni ngathi inguzidane kuthiwa ithemba libulali likwenza udane ubunethemba uzowina elo themba azokwenza uchaye ndize ngodlame Stone Cold Steve Austin emva kwelo wins ogqabhuza ibhiya ekoneni ngathi ndisemdantsane.
I'm leaving off plans that were executed for years. Since I'm a Jay-Z fan, I'm gonna leave you with some of his shit. Nigga, you a fraud. You ain't who you depicting to be. I'm a legend. You should take a picture with me.
Option ufake round yokuqala kulende Makheli Monument. Le battle like balance, it's like war ye province ne continent. Le battle like balance, it's like war ye province ne continent. Option Eastern Cape undayo bezinto Asia dominant. Option isi undayo bezinto Asia dominant. Igama lami liyasinda okwesidumbu because I'm the only option in isindi prominent.
God, verses for days like pastors and evangelists. So from his reflection, I subtract something deeper than his soul. Keanu Reeves.
Okay, boy.
Hey, I'm like a favorite drug. These niggas always wanna get some smoke in me. So don't be surprised if he collapses while he performing. His death is on stage. Costa teach.
Sims, I know who I am. I know my name. I'm nasty. C-section, I open those. Have a nigga coughing out blood? Now that's a liquor overdose. I'm nasty.
Matthew verse 7, chapter 7. What ye shall seek, ye shall find. With this, you will never doubt the ability of your own reasoning. Your mouth will be your own precinct. I call this Turbo Bester. It helps you escape your own damn prison.
That bass in your voice, lower it when you talk to me. Because the first time we met, I could sense fear from the moment I stood at the door and read the room. Your bitch ass started moving shady like the silhouette challenge. Boy, this ain't no play.
Many more lona bra. Take a closer look. Just one as scar. That means the melody peppy. They head. Yabona lo mnqumo. That means the puleta di peppy. They dapper.
Everybody says he's God in this shit. Till I arrive and come around and put Satan down on the ground. I could ask you where the bull at, but you will hear its noise by a raging sound. Because my guns revolve around me. It's like a Viagra, how it gets me through every round. What's wrong with you? What is this nigga talking about? What is this nigga talking about?
My mix is bad to the bone. Milan, I told you to go find a competition and not show them death. And UK, you better pay attention because you get stabbed in your neck with a pencil just as you draw your last breath.
You need to learn and listen before you start to gloss and glisten. Understand the reasoning. Mind your business. Snitching, avoid that business unless you can handle your balls like your nutsack itches. What?
Fight weight yathetha. Uzothini ku heavyweight usislender. But if ufuna rematch ungadibana noMilan uzofika ndi-ready whenever. Naku 50 years ezaya sozulenza ixesha. Undeya wezinto iBlack Panther uzakhanda forever.
Ubuqinga uzofumana iW kanti uqinga uthuvi.
hanging around my chest. Think Big Show with one arm on the vest. How I'm gun bust strap. It's gonna be metal music in your ears. I ain't even a conductor, but I still give notes on these straps. I squeeze to play the song. The other one, sing along. This shit is a thing. Nigga, you know me, bro. You know me, bro. I said it's gonna be metal music in your ears. I ain't even a conductor, but I still give notes in these straps. I squeeze to play the song. The other one, sing along. This shit is a duet. Who said it? What? Don't fuck with me, nigga.
Ulife wakho ndidlala ngayo uJumanji xa ndikubambile uyametho kwe-Apple manje ipunchline ulife wakho ndidlala ngayo uJumanji xa ndikubambile uyametho kwe-Apple manje ipunchline ndizikhupha kwiipokotho zebhatyi apha ndizorepresenta isiXhosa ndivele ndikubilele okwefatyi